Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Peace be on you. Welcome to my channel Exploring Sabri. In this video clip, I'm describing two adverbs what really make us confused when we write in sentences. So here, first and first. First, it is an adverb of manner. It means quickly, such as the trains run fast. You have to act first. He speaks too fast, that means he speaks too quickly. On the other hand, first, it is an adverb of time. It means before anything else or before others, such as Tahsin has become first in the test. You should go to the station first. Who finished first? That means who finished before others. So viewers, I hope after watching this video, it will be very easy for you to use correctly in the sentence. So thanks for your time. Thank you very much.